Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the virtual demonstration of the TIP application. This is our new TIP tool. For those of you that don't know, TIP stands for Transportation Improvement Program. My name is Elizabeth De Jesus. I am the Transportation Programs Manager for the North Florida TPO, and I am the TIP person. So anything related to TIP, you can contact me. Today I will show our new tool so that you can use it. I think it's going to be a good improvement for those of you that use the TIP on a daily basis. Okay, let me change the view here. Okay, so this is the new, the front page of the new tool. I will tell you how to get to this tool at the end of the presentation. But so when you open the application, you will see the front page. It gives you a welcome and a small explanation what is the TIP, and then it explains the different tabs. If you see at the top of the, let me move something here. At the top, you will see 5 tabs. So you will have the projects, which is the actual list of the projects. You will have the plan revisions, which are all the amendments. You will have projects by county, and then the interactive map. So I'm gonna go over each of them. First, the projects. When you open the projects page, you will see at the top, it says Transportation Improvement Program 2428. And so you will be able to choose between different data, which this is the current database, 2428, but you can click and you will find the 2 previous fiscal years data. We're gonna stay on 2428 for this demonstration, but you can explore the others if you choose to. So you can find projects by different ways. So the first one will be if you have the ID, project ID number, you can enter it here, and then it will pull the file for you. You could select lead agency, and then it will pull the projects by lead agency, let's say Clay County. And it will pull the ones that Clay County, projects that Clay County is in charge of managing. Then let's reset here. Then the next one will be by county. You can select a county, let's say Nassau County, and it will pull all of the projects for Nassau County. You could also search by project type. And there's different categories, and let's say first active transportation, and then you click on search, and then you will get all of the projects that fall under that category for the whole region. You could say, okay, I want to see the ones for Clay County, and then click, and you will get the one project that is under that category. You could say Duval County, and it will tell you the ones that are under that category. Let's try a new one here. Let's say ITS. And these are all of the ITS projects in the region. And let's say that we want to know the ones in Duval County. Then we go, and this is what we have. Now, you have the option of if you're looking for specific projects, you can export that data. Let me do it here. And it will immediately prepare an Excel for you, which you will open. I don't know if you can see this, but you can open, and the Excel will have all of those specific projects in Duval County that are ITS. You can also go by project title. Let's say, for example, you are looking for Collins Road projects. There's one that will pull. Let's say that you're looking for Maple projects. Then you will have the projects that are on Maple Road. You can also do US 17, and then you will get all of the projects for the whole region on US 17, and then maybe you can say, okay, I want the ones in Duval County only, and then you just search, and then you will have a list for Duval County only. Again, you can export that to be used for any projects that you are working on. Now, so in this list, as I explained, it will have all of the projects for all the region. Let me show you the more specific information on one of the projects, so you have an idea what is how it looks. So I'm gonna click on this one, Amelia Island Parkway Trail, and then you will get the map, the location of that project. You will get the project type, lead agency. If the project was amended, it will have an amendment number for that year. If it has a long-range transportation plan ID related to that project, it will be showing here. The total cost, if it's CIS or non-CIS, and the project length. And then at the bottom, you will have the funding for that current TIP fiscal year. And it will show you here the funding sources, the different phases. Also, you can see revision history and see how this project progress over time. In this instance, we only have these three the plan cycles because we only have the current one and 2 additional years. But if we were to add other years, it will show the whole history of the project. And it tells you when was adopted, and it will tell you the total cost at that plan cycle. If you go to fund history, you will get more details on each of the approvals and what the fund was and how it looked at the time. You can also share this information by clicking here. You will copy to your clipboard a link, and then you paste that link in your email or wherever you want to share it. Let's see another one. The item, I was looking at the item. Okay. This one, electric vehicle. So the same information, the mapping, the location of the project. Then you will have the fund and fund history and the revision. I just wanted to show you when we have an amendment, and it will show the adoption, and then it will, on the revision type, it will show if it was amended. And in this case, it was amended the previous year. And then you will see on the fund history, you will see more details about that amendment. This one, it was the amendment, approved on March of 2013, 2023. April 2013, 2023, and you will see the funding that was approved for that amendment, and then you will see the adoption on June 8, 2023, and the funding that was included for that adoption. So it will give you an idea how the project, the progress on the project. So I'm gonna show you, let me see here. Yeah. So, okay, so let's move on to the next tab, which is revisions. And in here, you will see all of the revisions. So you will see the first one is the adopted plan, which was in June 8th. And then all of these amendments that were approved for that adoption. And when you click there, you will see what projects were amended that day on November 9th, 2023. And if you click on each of the projects, you will see the information that was actually approved for that project that day. You will so all of this, and then I left this one. This one was approved yesterday, but I wanted to show you this is what we are gonna do from now on. So this one, if you see on the top here, it says open for public comments. So from now on, when we have amendments, we will allow public comments on that amendment. And then the way that it will look is that if it's, in this case, was only one project that was amended, but if we have multiple projects, you will see the list here, and then you click on each of the projects, and then you see the information, and then at the top, you will see add comment. And then if you click there, you can put your name, email, and your comment, and then we will be able to get those comments and create a report with those comments. We will be using this feature also for the next TAP adoption. It will be easy for us to get all of the comments through this tool and just issue a report on the comments. So that's for that. I will turn off that public comment for this specific project at the end of this session, because we are not receiving any comments for this one, but we will be for the next one. So the way that it will look is Jennifer will be sending a link to the other amendment page, and then you will just check there what the amendment is. If you want to make comments, you will make comments there. Then the next tab is project by county. And in this one, you will see all of the different projects for all of the counties. And then let's say you want to see only the St. Johns County projects, then you unclick, and then you will have the list of projects for St. Johns County. And like you can see Nassau County and so on and so forth. This one's straightforward, but you can see that. And then the last tab is interactive maps, and in this one are all of the maps, all of the projects that in which we have map information, because not all of the projects have mapping information. Some of them are just administrative funding or things like that. But the ones that have an actual location, we have maps for them. And so let's see here. Let's uncheck some of these so that you can see. For example, let's say ITS projects for the whole region. And then what you can do is you can get closer. And as you get closer, if you can notice the list on the left start getting like smaller. And let's say this is the project I want to look at. Then I click there, and I get information on what that project is, basic information. But if you want more information, you could check if this one, the 31, this one, you can click in here and then get the information for that specific project. Let's say that you want to see the ones for active transportation, and it will be the same. So these are the projects for active transportation that we have mapped. And let's say that we wanted to see this one again, then the list gets shorter until only the project that I zoom in is the one showing there. Then I can look at the information, the details, and you can click in there, view details, and see more information on the project. So this is basically what we have. Let me show you where you will find this tool. Let me get out of here just a second. So you will go to our webpage, northfloridatopo.com, and then in the front page you click on planning and select ITS. And then when you are, sorry, not ITS, TIP, Transportation Improvement Plan. You select planning TIP, and then in the TIP page, you will find it at the end of the resources list as the interactive tool, or you can find it in the interactive tip tool here at the bottom left. And as I explained before, we will have this available for you to use from 11 a.m. this morning, so that you can start using it. And we welcome your feedback so that we can improve this tool for your use. So at this time, if anybody has any questions, I welcome your questions. There's something in the chat. Yeah, Matt is saying it's great that we'll make public comments really easy. Any other comments? It's straightforward, easy to use, and I think that it would be a good tool for you to use. For those of you that use ITS information, TIP information on a daily basis, I believe it would be a good tool for you to have. Any questions? Any more questions or comments? Okay, it seems that it was straightforward. So thank you very much, everybody, for joining me this morning. And we will post this recording for those of you that, for the members of some of our committees that were not able to join us this morning, so that they can go and see what it is and then use the tool. There's one more comment. Matt. Thank you, Matt. Yes, we are trying to improve our processes, and this is one of the things that we're trying to do, make it easy for everybody. Right now, the situation is that we just have a PDF on our webpage, and people have to browse through the PDF. With this tool, it will be much easier to find the information that you need and share the information. Any other questions, comments? As I say before, I take your feedback if you have any after you use the tool. If there's any comments that you have, I will appreciate those comments. Well, thank you very much for joining me this morning. Have a great day. Happy Friday, everybody.
Thanks.